This is the Pemmobil F5. This is the Pemmobil F5 that has the 14-inch seat lift. It has the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric legs, and this is one of the few chairs that goes 7.5 miles an hour. So you don't see too many F5s, but this one is a brand new condition, 7 miles. So this chair is 7 miles, it's in brand new condition, as I said, and it has 7 miles. It's the F5, and it has 4 functions. So the first function we're going to go over is the seat lift. You can work the function through the joystick or through the switch box. I'm going to use this switch box here because it's quicker for me. So if you just push the button, then you're going to have your 14-inch seat lift going up. The nice thing about this seat lift, it goes up fairly fast. This power chair also will drive with the seat lift elevated. It'll drive at a slower speed. So as soon as we get to the 14-inch, so you're going to start roughly at 22 and you'll be at 34 inches. You'll be at 36 inches, I'm sorry. You'll start at 22, you'll be at 36 inches right here by the time you're raised all the way up. And you can still drive the chair at full speed. Not at full speed, at a reduced speed. So this is what we're looking at. So this is the seat elevator right now. As I mentioned earlier, you've got reduced speed with the seat elevated, but you can still drive with the seat elevated. If we look at how the seat is built, you can see the actuators for the seat here. The motor is here for the actuator. On this chair, we've got 14-inch solid tires. This is a front-wheel drive chair, so all your weight and the weight of the chair will be transferred to the bottom of this wheel. So if you're outside, you will have good traction because there's nothing under here stopping any obstacles. So these are good outside. When you have a front-wheel drive chair, the chair will turn, the rear of the chair will turn around the front of the chair. So your circle, your turning rate is going to be a little bit bigger, but you know there's other benefits of this chair, the speed and the traction and all that. You've got double suspension. Suspension for the front, suspension for the back on both sides. And these suspensions are adjustable. You can turn the suspension, make it tighter or looser, front and back. You've got a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has a motor behind here. You can see the lever. If I want to put this chair in neutral right now, I would turn the power off and I would push these levers down on both sides. What that does, it unlocks the wheel and now I'm in neutral. So I can push this chair around. This chair weighs 400 plus pounds, so it's not a lightweight chair. So I'm going to bring this lever back up. And now you can see we're back in gear. Turn the power back on. So, and you got your 14-inch wheels in front. You got your 8-inch caster wheels in the back. This is a Pemmobil, so it's the highest quality chair you can get. So we're going to bring the seat down. While we do that, this is called a swing away. So you can swing the joystick away from the front. So if you're right-handed, it's all set already. If you need everything on the left side, we have no problem switching everything to the left side. The arms also go up and down for easy exit. If you transfer from the side instead of from the front, you can do it that way. The next feature I'm going to show you is the electric tilt, which is the second button. And if I push the button, this is the base here will tilt back. Of course, it brings the feet and it takes the back backward also. This is called the electric tilt. So this is how far it will go. So this is your full, right there. Right there's your full electric tilt. If you want some circulation for your legs, you could hit the last button here and your legs will go up. Your feet. Now these are adjustable, they're a little short right now. But if you have long legs, we can adjust these forward. So if you had your feet in there, you wouldn't, this would not come down. But these are adjustable. So this is a little extreme circulation here. You don't have to be that far tilted. If you were tilted only half as much, you'd still have your legs higher than your body. So right here, you would still be able to have your legs higher than your body. So, and we'll bring the tilt all the way back down. And the next thing I want to show you is the last electric function is the electric recline. It's the back going back by itself. That's called the electric recline. I have my finger on it here. So the electric recline is going back. So if you want to see what it looks like if you're laying down fully in this chair, with the electric recline, you're pretty much going to be flat, as you can see. With the headrest, which is adjustable, you're pretty much flat. So that's your electric recline, right there. Also, you have lateral pads here. These pads here can be removed if you transfer from the side, or they can be moved up and down here, and they can also be brought in because they're all adjustable because of the adjustments on the pad right there. So they can be removed, and they can go forward or backward. These are called lateral pads. When you're outside and you're driving at 7.5 miles an hour, make sure that your legs are up in the air. I wouldn't want you to hit something with your foot plate and jam your electric legs. So these are actually pretty high already because they're kind of set up short. So if you're taller, we're going to have to lower those legs down. I'm going to turn this chair around. We've got on here what's called a Roho cushion. This is the most expensive cushion you can get. It's got individual air spots in here, like little, you can see it, you can see the indentation. There's about 100 of these in here, and you pump the cushion to the degree of comfort you need. So whatever, if you need a nice hard cushion, or you need a soft cushion, there's a valve here, you put the pump right on it, then you turn the valve to the left, and then you can pump air, turn the valves to the right, pull your cushion out, and you can make this cushion as comfortable as you want. This is the most expensive cushion you can get. This is called a Roho air cushion. You do have a safety belt with this chair. The cushion in this chair is 18 by 18, so the seat is 18 by 18. We can adjust these seats, so if this seat's too small, too big, we can go smaller or larger on these chairs. This is called a high back right here, so it's a full high back seat, so it's a real tall back. This can be also adjusted down. We can just about size this chair. So if you want this chair, because it's an F5 and it's one of the few chairs that goes 7.5 miles an hour and has a 14-inch seat lift, then we can customize the seat for you. The back of the chair, you've got a headrest which is fully adjustable. It's adjustable right to these Allen screws. You can adjust it. You can even take the headrest off if you don't want it. You can take it right off. You also have two bag hook here if you want to carry a backpack or anything you want to carry. You got two hooks back here. You've also got back here, you've got reflector. These are not lights. A lot of people ask me about these. These are reflectors. This chair does not have lights. Also in here, right in this slot right here, there's a power button. You can hear me turn it off right now. The power is off. There's no more power. When we ship these chairs, we always turn the power off over here, and we usually put a note so you can find the button. I'm going to turn it back on. Then I'm going to turn the power back on over here. So the power is coming back on. You've got an anchor point here, an anchor point here, and you've got two if you need to tie your chair to your lift or to your van. And you have two more in the front. You have two more in the front right here. There's another one on the opposite side also. Okay? So when you charge this chair, when you charge this chair, you charge it like all Pemmobils from the front. So you take your Pemmobil charger and you plug it below your joystick, right under your joystick here. And as soon as the light goes to full, the charger will stop charging automatically. There's two batteries in here. And with these two batteries, you'll get anywhere from 13 to 15 miles on the battery charge. Everybody gets a different distance depending where you're using it, how fast you're going, uphill, downhill in the grass. So you'll get different variation of distance. But you know, usually 12 miles to 15 miles in the first year with new batteries, you'll be able to go pretty much a day or two without charging it. So if you're looking for a chair that's got 7 miles, top of the line, high speed, 7.5 miles an hour, with the 14-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric leg, the swing away joystick, the lateral pad, the Roho cushion, solid tires, no air, adjustable arms up and down, safety belt, This is the top of the line. 7 miles on this chair, ready to go. So this is the Pemmobil F5. Have different clothes on. We didn't do the video outside at the same time. I think it started raining. But this is the F5 fully loaded power chair with 7 miles. The top speed on this chair is 7.3 miles an hour. So when I was going dead straight, it was 7.3. That's what showed on the meter right here. Went through the grass with no issue. My grass is a little rough. The suspension, the ride on this chair, on this concrete, is just phenomenal. It's a great power chair, fully loaded, ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.